We have 8 stock floor plans that you can use as is, or you can customize them. We are also opening up a custom division this year for 2024 where we can custom design you a kit home of any size or style. You can pick your own finishes. You can purchase a base kit, which will come with no exterior or interior finishes, and you can source everything that you want yourself. Or with a full kit, we have options within our pre-selected finishes that you can mix and match between colors, quartz countertops, flooring. We offer different finishes in each category that you can choose to make it feel like your own. The 8 floor plans that we have stock range in size from 400 square foot up to 1,000 square feet. We have a mixture of 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 2 bedroom, 2 baths, and up to 4 bedrooms, 2 baths within those floor plans. microMansions does not provide financing for our kits, but we can help connect you with a financial institution to talk about lending options. The most common option used is a construction loan. The homeowner can take out the construction loan and pay for the kit as materials, and then they pay their contractor periodically during the build, or a contractor can finance the home, use the construction loan in the same way, and then that construction loan is turned into a mortgage at the end of your project.